Hi guys, maayong buntag. It's only before midday and I have been sleeping kay grabe ang ako ang migraine guys. Ganiyang buntag nagmata ko. I have really terrible headache. I actually been having this headache. I don't know. I think this is the third day. Today is the third day. And this morning when I woke up, oh my god, it was terrible. I had really it feels like someone's banging my head, like smashing my head or something like that with a heavy object, and it's how it felt. And then I was dizzy and vomiting, and it was just terrible. Anyway, so wala ta nag-work today kay murag grabe ka lisod kaayo ang akong gibati gyud. And then pag human ato is gihatod pa jud nako akong car dito sa sa shop ba. And I'm lucky nga si Christian is na I'm lucky that Christian picked me up, dropped me home, and then he's gonna pick me up later after. So it's been like 8, 9, 10, 4 and a bit hours since I dropped the car. So when I got home, I just been sleeping and staying in bed. And this bintana, that window is really giving me pain. I need something to black that out. It's terrible. It's just terrible. And I feel a little bit better now, but I'm still sick. I'm still sick. I'm still having this headache, and it's just terrible. And that badly needs something to cover para dili siya bislaw ang sakit. Pag na kay migraine guys, ay grabe gyud, as in sakit gyud kaayo ang ulo. Ambot lang kinsay makarelate ninyo dira, as in nagsinuka-suka ko day nga grabe kasakit yun sa ulo nako nga o kasabot. Pag mulihok ko arang kalipong nausea, vomiting, terrible. And then wala pa jud ko'y sakit, ay wala pa jud ko'y tampal sa migraine ako kay nahurot na expired na, di na ako pwede imnon. Wala na ko man ko nakapadoktor about my migraine. So I think I gotta do it soon. Advil man daw kuno is effective. Ingon si Crystal, akong neighbor ba. And Mariani is going to give me some. Kaya tuwa siya og shop. Maghapit siya. Di man siya pwede makapalit sa prescribed nga tambal kay wala man ko. Like what I said, dugay na ko wala nakadto sa doktor. I think I gotta do this one. Yeah, nag-struggle na ko aning headache na ko for how many days na gyud. So now it makes sense. Ang migraine gyud ay nako perte. So like what you see, ang sana itong dagway karon gahagad-hagad na, it doesn't matter. Nakatulog kog maayo man, mga 4 hours kapin, which is good. And I did have a lovely sleep night last night. Kaisa ra jud ko ni mata. Pag mata na nako alas 5. Kasagaran jud pag magmata ko, mata ra kog alas, I don't know, alas 11, and then alas 2 na pod, and then alas 5. Halos katulog ko makamata during the night pag matulog ko kay ang akong problema palaihi kay ko. And then last night I did have a good sleep. Kay sayo ko natulog kagabi and then ni mata ra ko mga 5:30 kay kahion ko. To my surprise, kaisa ra ko nakaihi, no? Ganina ra pag mata, and then mao na to nagdinigwa-digwa nako, naglain kayo akong gyud kanang spew kay kana bitong laway ra kayo niya, very acidic bitaw niya. Basta as in lain gyud akong gibati day. So mao ra nay update na to atong kinabuhi karong adlaw day. Nagwala ko nagtrabaho kay I called in sick gyud kay di kaya. Dili pwede ko magtrabaho nga ingani akong kahimtang kay needle ba akong i-handle. I have to poke needle to patient. So murag mao na akong trabaho during the day, and then delikado, right, high risk. Unya og blackout ko dadto. Akong responsibilidad, ako ang sayop kay nga no unwell ko niya mo trabaho. So yeah, walay problema ta sa sick leave day kay bayad man ta. So mao na akong update ron. Maghulat na lang ko sa tambal nga i-deliver diri ni Mariani, and then si Christian is iya kong pick up on once nga ang akong car is ready to pick up na. Another expenses, my god, ingana lang kapait ang kinabuhi nako diri Pero I'm still lucky nga I have people around that can help me out a little bit of little bit, it still counts. So thank you guys. I will be better. I will be better. I have to be better soon.